Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Call of Duty mobile update error in 2026. For that, the first thing that you must do is switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and also toggle airplane mode on and off on your device to see if it is a network related issue. If it is not, then what you can do is simply head over to settings. Once you're inside settings, scroll down, tap on storage, make sure that you have at least 3 to 4 GB of free space on your device, or else Call of Duty will not be updated, as Call of Duty updates are usually large in size. The other thing that you can do is simply head over to your app drawer and then search for Play Store and make sure that your account is logged in by tapping on you. If your username appears over here, that means you're logged into your Google account. If not, then it means that you're logged out. Try logging into your Google account again and updating Call of Duty. If that too does not work, simply head over to your app drawer, search for the Call of Duty app, long press on it, hit uninstall and reinstall it on your device. But only use this as a last resort, as the file of Call of Duty is really huge. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.